Hi my people! This week we're inside the kitchen and you were wondering what we're going to make. I'm already telling you it is not food. It's going to be a nice candle that I'm going to make it actually for Valentine's Day that is approaching. And I'm sure that everybody has someone that he loves. Manos a la obra! Down to business! First of all, it's very important that you protect the area you're going to work. I'm using a plastic like this one, a strong one. You can use a newspaper or magazine or any other thing that you think is useful to protect your table. The first thing we need to do to make our candle is to find out how much wax do we need. So previously I have filled up my bucket, which is going to be my bowl, with water, which I'm going to pour it into a measuring jug. And I'm going to check out what volume exactly it is. So as we can see, it's 200. So simply you are going to multiply 200 by 0.77. When we do that, it's going to give us 154. That's meaning that 200 by 0.77 is 154 grams. With the measuring scale, I'm going to get exactly the 154 grams I am looking for to make the candle. We had to remove a little. Okay, that's it. 154 grams. The next step is to fix the wick into the bucket. So we're going to, or the jar, whatever container you are using, we're going to apply little dots, not too much, just a little is enough, and fix it at the center. It's very important that it's at the center and it's straight, okay? So now I'm going to help myself with a wick holder. Like I said before, I'm going to tell you where to get all these materials, and that's it, okay? I'm going to heat some water on the fire in a pot, in a small pot, and with a little pot again. Remember, we have measured our wax 154 grams, but it depends on the kind of jar you might have a different measurement, different quantity, okay? So you pour the wax inside the pot. I'm going to actually do it little by little so it will be easier. I have added all the wax into the pan and I keep stirring. As you can appreciate now, the wax has fully melted. Let me bring it closer to the camera. It's fully melted. So we're going to check the temperature with the thermometer. When the thermometer has reached to the temperature you were looking for, we're looking for 80 to 85. My own is actually now 80. The wax is ready, so you are going to remove your picture from the pot with the water, that's from the fire. It's time for our fragrance. And how do we know how much fragrance essential oil we need to add? Well, it's simple. I'm going to give you this. For 450 grams, we need 30 millimeters of fragrance essential oil. So in that case, in my case, there's 154 grams. After doing a little mathematics, what I need is 10 millimeters of essential oil. So I'm going to just pour it from this container, just a little. That will be the 10 millimeters, not too much, okay? And I'm going to stir it for 2 minutes. So right now my wax is exactly 55 degrees Celsius. I forgot to mention before because I'm used to do the Celsius, but if you are using Fahrenheit, is 131, okay? So I'm ready now to pour it into my mold. Now we're going to actually do it slowly. Just pour it slowly. Beautiful. And we're almost done. Now for the best result, you are going to leave the candle in room temperature and the stove, that means don't touch it, for 24 hours until fully solidified. Now we're ready for the decoration of the candle. We'll have some dried flowers. I will show you what we're going to do with it. Some decoration items, which I use cardboard paper to make it more Valentine, jute, and finally a bag for the wrapping of the candle. We're going to apply some glue on the area where we want to fix the jute. We're going to leave a little ribbon down to help us to do a bow. When we reach the end, we're ready to make the bow, so I'm going to pass the jute through the flower hole, through the bags. To fix the dry flowers on the candle, we need to melt a little wax, just a small quantity. Now I'm going to slowly pour the wax, and I'm going to arrange the flower. Okay. The work is ready finally. Our beautiful candle is ready to give it out for Valentine's Day or any other special day you wish for, to make someone happy that is close to you. You can check at the end of the video the links where to buy the materials to do this project, or if you wish to save the stress, you can contact me and order from my page, my website, or on my Instagram page. I'm looking forward to hear from you. See you next week. Bye.